In this video, we'll recommend you the best home theater system to buy in 2022. We included the pros and cons of each product, so you can decide before buying the best one. Coming in number 5 of Best Home Theater System 2022 is Sennheiser Ambeo. Best soundbar with money no object. If you demand the best Dolby Atmos performance from a single soundbar, it doesn't get any better than the Sennheiser Ambeo audio system. It's not cheap, and it's not small, but if you want the best sound, this is it. At number 4. Vizio M512A. Best Value Dolby Atmos Soundbar System. While the rotating speakers of the Vizio Elevate are cool, that system doesn't offer the best bang for your buck within the company's range. The Vizio M512A is a Dolby Atmos soundbar that includes 4K Dolby Vision, a subwoofer, and rear channel speakers, making it a sort of hybrid between a receiver-based system and a soundbar. It also provides incredible sound quality for music and movies for a hair under $500. At number 3. Q Acoustics 3030i. Best stereo speakers under $500. If there's one thing we're spoiled for choice for its affordable stereo speakers, and for $499 the Bookshelf Speaker 3030 offers excellent playback of both movies and music. While the $300 Elac Debut 2.0 B6.2s are a lot cheaper and more transparent, the Q Acoustics are more even-handed and have a better bass response. This makes the 3030i more suited to a living room home theater situation, especially if you're not using a subwoofer. At number 2. Klipsch Reference Theater Pack. Best surround sound speaker package under $500. Originally retailing for $1,200, the Klipsch Reference Theater Pack is currently on sale for a third of that. This set features big sound from a compact 5.1-channel surround sound system, and it is a perfect home theater option for apartments or games rooms. This speaker system is excellent for movies and not bad for music either. Just add a receiver. At number 1 of the top 5 best home theater system 2022 is Roku Soundbar. Best budget soundbar. When it comes to bang for the buck, it doesn't get much better than the Roku Soundbar home theater system. This speaker offers both a dialogue-enhancing soundbar and a built-in 4K streamer in one package. If you want more bass or surround speakers, the system is also upgradable. You can choose the speaker package. Thank you for watching the top 5 best home theater system 2022, and we hope you enjoyed our home theater system buying guide. If you have decided to buy the best one, please look at the description below to get further product information.